Let's face it, you're probably here because you're not satisfied with your stock returns. What if I told you that you could be confident in knowing exactly which stock to buy? You'd also know when is the right time to buy it. What if I told you that you could buy at the right price and you knew what a stock was actually worth? Therefore, you'd never have to worry about overpaying for a stock. Instead, you'd always be buying good stocks at bargain prices. What if you could be confident in all of these things, when to buy a stock and when to sell it? What if you had a personal mentor that could tell you which stocks they are buying and selling, when they're buying and selling, and at what price they're buying and selling? What if you had all of this and you received information on a daily basis about the best stocks to buy and what price to buy them? Would it be useful to have detailed research and analysis reports so that you could save time and make a well-informed investment decision? Would it help to have a second opinion about whether to buy or sell a particular stock, and to know that a mentor is available to answer any investing questions that you might have? What if you had all of these valuable resources at your fingertips? I'm sure that you could see how this would make you a more confident stock investor. In a nutshell, that's what the BTMA Wealth Builders Club is all about. It was set up for the reason to simplify investing so that you're getting only the most essential information that's factual and based on the value investing principles of Warren Buffett and his mentor, Benjamin Graham. The info that you'll receive is boiled down and condensed into a digestible format that is simple, quick to understand, and you can instantly apply it into your investing approach. By doing this, you will greatly reduce your risks and you will significantly increase your chances of more consistent and greater returns. An added benefit is that you will save time by avoiding useless market hype and following the biased and unfactual stock advice of the talking heads on mainstream media. Instead, you'll be using the established, proven, and factual system of value investing that has been building wealth for the most successful investors for at least a century. I'm Grant Gigliotti, the creator of the BTMA Stock Spreadsheet, the BTMA Stock Analyzer, and BTMA Wealth Builders Club. I'm grateful to say that thousands of investors like yourself have tried out the BTMA stock investing products, and I'm continually receiving positive feedback about my clients' results. So I'm confident that this system not only works for myself, but for a wide variety of investors. If you have any questions about me or the BTMA Wealth Builders Club, I encourage you to email me directly at grant@beatthemarketanalyzer.com. I'm always available to answer your questions directly, as customer service is my top priority. If you're interested in trying out the BTMA Wealth Builders Club, please continue to read about our proven success below. Thanks for your time.